Hey everyone, this is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and I wanted to pop in today and say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your love and support this year. It has meant so much to me. My channel is small and steadily growing, and I just love it. I love you guys. I love making content, and the comments that you leave for me just warm my heart. You have welcomed me, and I greatly appreciate it. As the year is winding down, I will only have a couple of more videos for the 2019 year or season year. So I wanted to ask your opinion on what videos you would like for me to do, or what videos you would like to see from me going into 2020. I have some ideas I think you will love, but I also want to get your feedback. What would you like to see? My channel is about decorating your home on a budget and not spending a lot of money. And it's my cat, so sorry. And I like doing those type of videos. I love going to the I love going to the thrift store and picking up items to make my home look beautiful and look expensive, but really on a budget. So yeah, just tell me what you would like to see. I would love if you would put your comments down below, what content you would like to see coming from me in 2020. Also, we are very close to hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark. I think I'm at 788, maybe 787. I noticed that a lot of people who watch my channels are not subscribers or friends or family members. So if you are one of those people and you are watching this video, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. You will help me make or reach the 1,000 subscriber, friends, family member mark, and I would greatly appreciate it. So if you would also, when you watch my videos, give them a like. If you don't like them, give them a dislike. I would like to get your feedback. So I hope you like them mostly, but if there's something you don't like, certainly let me know. Not that I'll change it, but I would like your feedback, good or bad. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I greatly appreciate, I can't talk today. Appreciate all of my friends and family who have subscribed so far. And again, if you're watching this video, you can tell I can't talk sometimes. But I would love it if you would still consider subscribing anyway. So 2019 has not been a very good year for our family, and I hope 2020 will be a much better year. And if you've had a bad 2019 as well, I hope going into 2020 it will be a lot better year for you as well. And I will end today's video with what I always say. I hope you had an awesome day, guys. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in 2020. Bye, guys. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design. And hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design. Today we are going to see what we can find in the Goodwill. Will we have luck? I don't know. Let's see. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design. And can you see where we are today? Blooper. Well guys, as Yukon Cornelius says, nothing, zero, zip, nada. So the hunt continues. Let's see what we find tomorrow. Hopefully it will be a better day. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and if you are new here, welcome. My channel is all about designing and... Hey everyone! everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and today I am very excited to participate in a collaboration that's being held.